Absorbent pads are great for small spills and for final cleanup after large spills. Like most absorbents, pads are available in universal, oil-only, corrosive, and filtering varieties.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Pads are designed for cleaning up small to medium-sized spills that have been contained, and for small spills that have stopped spreading. They're flat, they cover large surface areas, and they'll absorb liquids on contact. Most polypropylene pads absorb between 10 and 24 ounces each. Filtering pads absorb about 70 ounces. If you know how much liquid has spilled, knowing how much a pad absorbs can help you gauge the number of pads it will take to clean up a spill. Absorbent pads work best for spills that are less than a quarter-inch deep. When a contained spill is deeper than that, it's usually faster and more cost-effective to pump or vacuum a bulk of the contained spill first, then use the absorbent pads for final cleanup detail. Absorbent pads work like paper towels. To use one, just lay it over the spilled liquid. It will begin to absorb on contact. If a pad is not fully saturated, it can be picked up and moved to another area, and it will continue to absorb liquids until it's fully saturated. Most traditional absorbent pads are designed for one-time use. When they're fully saturated, they should be picked up or shoveled up and placed in bags or containers for recycling or disposal. Filtering pads can either be hand or mechanically wrung and can be reused over the course of a spill cleanup. Need a refresher on which color to choose? Check out our lesson on absorbent color coding.